Imagine this. A marketing team has to launch a campaign tomorrow. The content team needs ad copies, the design team needs image ideas, the sales team needs customer insights, and the manager needs a full report before the end of the day. Earlier, this could take multiple teams and maybe an entire week. But today, one professional who understands generative AI can use tools like ChatGPT, Copilot, Azure AI Studio, and automation workflows to create content, analyze data, generate ideas, build assistants, and speed up the entire procedure. That is the power of generative AI. And this is exactly why companies are not just looking for people who can use AI casually. They are looking for professionals who can apply AI to real business problems. So in this video, let's look at the top 5 generative AI certification courses by Simplilearn that can help you build practical job-ready Gen AI skills. These programs cover skills like prompt engineering, LLMs, RAG application, AI agents, MCP frameworks, Copilot, Azure AI Studio, ChatGPT, Hugging Face, and real-world projects. So let's begin. So at number 1, we have the Advanced Executive Program in Applied Generative AI by Simplilearn in collaboration with Microsoft Azure and IITM Pravartak Technologies Foundation. This program is designed for professionals who want to understand how generative AI works and how to apply it in the real business situations. You will learn key skills like prompt engineering, LLM architecture, RAG applications, agentic frameworks, multi-agent systems, MCP, LangChain, AI governance, and Gen AI application development. But the best part is this: it is not just theory. You will get hands-on experience with the tools like ChatGPT, Azure AI Studio, Microsoft Copilot, OpenAI, Hugging Face, DALL-E, Guardio, Streamlit, Chroma, and much more. You will also work on real-world projects like building an AI-powered HR assistant, a creative logo designer, a news assistant, AI-powered business intelligence solution, and an end-to-end RAG-based application. The program includes live online classes, expert sessions, integrated labs, mentoring support, and a capstone project as well. You will also get a program completion certificate from IITM Pravartak Technologies Foundation and an opportunity for campus immersion at IIT Madras Research Park. So if you are a working professional, developer, data professional, manager, or consultant who wants to move beyond basics and start building the real Gen AI solutions, then this program can be a strong choice for you. The link is given in the description box below. Go check it out and start your journey today. Now coming at number 2, we have the Professional Certificate Program in Agentic AI and Multi-Agent Systems by Simplilearn. This course focuses on one of the biggest shifts in AI right now, that is Agentic AI. Companies are no longer just using AI tools that answer questions. They are now moving towards AI systems that can plan tasks, connect with tools, coordinate multiple agents, and automate real workflows. And that is exactly what this program teaches us. In this 10-week live online program, you will learn how to design autonomous AI systems and build multi-agent solutions for real business use cases. You will explore topics like AI Foundation, Generative AI Tech Stack, Prompt Engineering, LLM internals, planning, multi-agent ecosystems, model context protocol, agentic UX design, and product readiness. The course also includes 40 plus demos, 10 plus guided practicals, 7 projects, and a capstone project as well. You will get hands-on exposure to the tools like ChatGPT, GitHub Copilot, Crew AI, LangChain, LangGraph, AutoGPT, MetaGPT, Docker, Langsmith, Slack, Asana, MongoDB, N8N, and much more. All of this under just one course. Can you believe that? So if you want to build the future of AI systems and not just use AI tools, then this course is a great option to consider. The link is given in the description box below. Please go check it out. Now coming at number 3, we have Professional Certificate course in Generative AI and Machine Learning, all by Simplilearn in collaboration with Microsoft Azure and E&ICT Academy IIT Kanpur. This course is perfect for learners who want to understand not just generative AI, but the complete AI and machine learning ecosystem. Because to build strong AI solutions, you need to understand how machine learning works, how models are trained, how deep learning is used, and how generative AI fits into all of it. This 11-month live online program covers topics like Python, applied data science, machine learning, deep learning, generative AI, prompt engineering, LLMs, NLP, computer vision, and reinforcement learning, transformers, RAG, and so much. So you will also get hands-on exposure to 30 plus tools and libraries like Python, TensorFlow, PyTorch, LangGraph, OpenAI, ChatGPT, Hugging Face, GitHub Copilot, Pandas, Matplotlib, Chroma, and much more. This program includes 80 plus real-world projects and 3 capstone projects. These include projects like building an AI-powered HR assistant, creating designs using OpenAI and Guardio, predicting loan defaults, detecting retail shelf computing, using computer vision, forecasting telecom network loads, and building recommendation systems. You will also get live classes by industry experts, a virtual academic masterclass by IIT Kanpur faculty, and a program completion certificate from ENICT Academy IIT Kanpur. So, if you want to build a strong foundation in AI, machine learning, and generative AI together, this course is a great choice for you. And the link for the course is given in the description box below. Now, coming at number 4, we have Applied Agentic AI, Systems Design and Impact by Simplilearn and Microsoft. This course is for professionals who want to get ready for the next stage of AI, where AI does not just answer questions but can plan, take actions, use tools, and work like an intelligent collaborator. This 10-week live online program focuses on agentic AI systems, multi-agent systems, RAG, MCP, planning systems, workflow automation, prompt engineering, agentic UX, and product readiness. You will also get hands-on experience with tools like LangGraph, LangChain, AutoGen, CrewAI, N10, GitHub Copilot, ChatGPT, Docker, Langsmith, Pinecode, Figma, Miro, MongoDB, and much more. You will work on projects like building a RAG pipeline with PDF retrieval, creating an agentic RAG router system, designing AI-powered LinkedIn automation with N10, building a multi-agent workflow planner, and creating a production-grade multi-agent GTM system. You will also get live interactive classes, mentoring support, peer engagement on Slack, even Simplilearn's Job Assist, and a joint program completion certificate from Microsoft and Simplilearn. Yes, all of this in just one course. So, if you want to move from using basic AI tools to designing intelligent AI workflows and automation, then this course can be a great choice. Check the link, it is given in the description box below. Now at number 5, we have Generative AI Applications for Leaders by Simplilearn in collaboration with Microsoft Azure and Michigan Engineering Professional Education. This program is slightly different from the others. It is especially useful for leaders, managers, senior professionals, and business decision makers who want to understand how generative AI can be used across real business functions. Because today, every leader is asking one question: how can we use Gen AI to improve productivity, reduce manual work, support teams, and create better business outcomes? And this program helps answer exactly that. In this 12-week live online program, you will learn how to apply generative AI across sales, marketing, customer service, software engineering, data analytics, product research, workflow automation, AI ethics, AI economics, and business transformation. You will also get hands-on exposure to tools like ChatGPT, Microsoft Copilot, Hugging Face, OpenAI, Figma, Miro, Julius AI, Power Apps, VS Code, and much more. The course includes 55 plus hours of live interaction, guided practices, demos, and hands-on industry projects. You will work on projects like automating content workflows, creating AI-driven campaigns, building a Gen AI-powered support agent, using Gen AI for data analytics, and planning a product launch with Copilot. So, if you are a leader or working professional who want to use generative AI as a business strategy, this program can be a strong choice. So, these were the top generative AI certification program all by Simplilearn. Generative AI is not just changing how we work, it is changing what skills companies expect from the professionals. Some people will only use AI tools casually, but the real advantage will go to those who can understand AI, apply it, build with it, and use to solve real business problems. So, whether you want to build AI agents, understand machine learning, lead AI transformation, or prepare yourself for the AI first workplace, these are the programs that can match your career goal. The link for all these programs are given below in the description box. Explore them, compare them, and choose the one that fits your career path the best. So, if you like this video, do subscribe to the channel and don't just watch the AI revolution happen. Be a part of it. Enroll now, start your AI journey today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.